Good morning. The weekend is almost here. We're your hosts, Kayla.
And I'm Jacob. We'll start out with today's lunch. We'll wrap up this week with sloppy joes, potato wedges, baked beans, baby carrots, a frozen treat, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I am Kennedy, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Salina woman was arrested for calling 911 nearly 70 times, fighting with the responding officer, and setting her apartment on fire. The first dog introduced to the Surfers Hall of Fame dies at 16. MIT finds AI can already replace over 11% of the U.S. workforce. President Trump has secured foreign steel for the White House Ballroom Construction. The VCHS Drama Department spring show One Stoplight Town is tonight and tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Attention seniors, graduation slideshow pictures are due Friday, April 24th at 3 o'clock p.m. Info is on Senior Google Classroom. Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Stupefy. Make someone unable to think or feel properly.
You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Wayne Gretzky.
With the weekend upon us, we want to hear about what your plans are.
My name's Carter, and weekend plans include working on my car, probably.
My name is Carson Chapman, and my weekend plans are going to church and hanging out with friends.
I'm Miss Pound, and my weekend plans for this holiday weekend is to go to Topeka to go visit my grandma, because she's amazing.
My name's Keely, and my weekend plans are to work and celebrate Easter on Sunday.
My weekend plans are I'm going to run the car show on Saturday, and then on Sunday I'll probably just spend Easter with my family.
I'm Brandon Kinsinger. What I'm doing over the weekend is I'm celebrating Easter with my family, and I'm dressing up as the Easter Bunny for some of my little cousins.
With only a few short weeks before summer, we want you to know what you have planned.
My name's Asher, and this summer I'm going to go to car meets and hang out with my friends.
My name is Jessica Van Tassel, and I'm going to train Nugget over the summer.
My summer plans are that I'm going to hang out with my friends, and I'm going to be working a lot.
What's your name?
Ty Taylor.
My name Quan. My summer plans, making money.
Hi, I'm Roman Gage. My summer plans is to basically play football all summer.
I'm Nick Neff, and my summer plans are work out and just hang out, do fun stuff. So,
Wanda Makoko, Nimbo, probably just game all summer.
I'm Vivian, and I'm probably gonna hang out with friends and go to the pool a lot.
Hornets, it's finally Friday. Let's take a look at what's in theaters this weekend.
Everybody's going to the movies. Everybody's going to the movies. Everybody's going.
Sorry, guys. The movie started 15 minutes ago.
Soda, you were going to check the show times on Movie Phone.
Candy said she did.
With a rainy day upon us, let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hello, I am Ava, and here's today's weather. Today we'll have a high of 79 degrees with strong thunderstorms and wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight we'll have a low of 39 degrees and wind at 20 to 30 miles per hour.
Now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
April 17th, 1961. Hundreds of Cuban exiles, trained by the CIA, invade Cuba's Bay of Pigs, trying to topple Fidel Castro from power. But the invasion fails, a political embarrassment for President John F. Kennedy, just months after taking office.
This was a struggle of Cuban patriots against a Cuban dictator. While we could not be expected to hide our sympathies, we made it repeatedly clear that the armed forces of this country would not intervene in any way.
1970. The 3 astronauts of Apollo 13 splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean, days after a ruptured oxygen tank crippled their spacecraft on their way to the moon. 1790. Benjamin Franklin, author, publisher, inventor, and one of America's most famous founding fathers, dies in Philadelphia at age 84. 1837. J.P. Morgan, a financial giant in American capitalism during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, is born in Hartford, Connecticut. And 1964, an automotive legend is born. Ford rolls out its sporty new convertible, the Mustang, at the New York World's Fair. It's an instant hit. Today in history, April 17th. David Melendi, The Associated Press.